Okay, so this complete row is A complement into B. So let's write vertical variables. So vertical variables here, C complement, D complement, first column, second column. The row complements, row variables are A complement B. The column variable here is C complement D. C complement D. Okay, so next one is vertical variables C, D, third column, fourth column A complement B, C with D complement. So next, skip the row 3. I will tell you why. Okay, so now write fourth row A with B complement, C complement, D complement. A with B complement, C complement, D complement. So again, A with B complement, complete row. Okay, that is definite result. Column wise, C complement D, C with the D complement. Okay, so now I am writing third row AB, full row is AB. Now let's write variables column wise. C complement D complement, C complement D, CD, C with the D complement. Now one important suggestion is, after this refer previous table so that you will get cell numbers. You know, A complement, B complement, C complement, D complement means zeroth cell. Okay, then A complement, B complement, C complement, D, no complement is for B. Then A complement, B complement, C, then D complement, that means it is 2. Okay, in your 3 variable K-map also you did 0, 1, not 2 and 3, it is 0, 1, 2 here, then 3. Okay, coming for the next, A complement, only B, C complement, D complement, that is 4. Okay, so A complement B, C complement D, that is 5. Okay, so don't expect 6 will be here because A complement B, C, D complement. So next one is 7. If you take only first and second row, by neglecting B, it will become 3 variable K map with A, C and D variable. But here it is the first 2 rows. Now don't expect it, because the meaning of 8 is here D, C, D, A. 2 raised to 0, 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay. So now if you write A, B complement, C complement, D complement. So what is the representation? 1, 0, 0, 0. So this value is what? 8. Okay, it is 8. Where this is present? 1, 0, 0, 0. Or A, B complement, C complement, D complement. Fine. It is present in the 4th row. Okay, hence we will get 8. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Skip 3rd row, 8. Okay, 4th row, starting number is 8. So how to show 9? 9. 8 plus 1, that is 9. So A, no complement. B, 0, hence it is complement. C is 0, hence it is complement. D is 1, hence no complement. So what is the term for 9? Number 9. A, B complement, C complement, D. Where we will find it? A, B complement, C complement, D. So hence we will write 9. Okay. So now, where we will get value 10? How to get 10? 8 plus 2. That is 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. Now you write representation. A, B complement, C, D complement. Find this term. A, B complement, C, D complement. That means here we will get 10. 8, 9. Here it is not a 10. Again you skip and write 10. So how to get 11? What is the representation of 11? 8 plus 2 plus 1. 8 plus 2 plus 1. So if we write in terms of variable, A with B complement, C with D. A with B complement, C with D. So what this cell number will be? 11. Okay. Now let's find 12. How to get 12? 12. 8 plus 4. 8, 1, 4, 1. So no need of C and D. So what is the term now? A, B, C complement, D complement. A, B, C complement, D complement. Find that term 12. See. No. A, B, C complement, D complement. Hence it is 12. Okay, how to get 13? 8 plus 4 plus 1. 8 plus 4 plus 1. Hence it is A, B, C complement, D. A, B, C complement, D. So this will become 13. So how to get 14? 14. 8 plus 4. 12. 12 plus 2. Okay. 8 plus 4 plus 12. Okay. So what we are not including is 1. Hence it is D complement. A, B, C, D complement. A, B, C, D complement. What is the number? Cell number is 14. Last cell number 15. So 8 plus 4 plus is 12. Plus 2 is 14. Plus 1 is 15. Hence we have to take all. So what is the term? A into B into C into D. That is what 15 is. Okay. So now here is the important thing. Compare any adjacent cells. Okay, they have exactly 1 bit difference. See now, what is the difference here? A is same like A complement, B complement, C complement. 3 similarities, 1 change, D complement, D. Okay, 1 with 3, 1 with 3 comparison. Here is a comparison. Okay, A complement same, B complement same, C complement one side and C. So we got 1 difference. What is D? Both sides same as D. So A complement, B complement, D. 3 are same. C complement and C is difference. 1 difference we have got. So now you compare 3 with 2. 3 with A complement same, B complement same, C same. Okay, so A complement, B complement, C. 3 same terms or same variables, 1 different, that is D and D complement. So now we compare 0 with 4. 0 with 4. See, A complement same, C complement same, D complement same. What is difference? B. Second letter B. Here is a difference. Okay. So now like this 1 5 3 7 2 6. Okay, 2 6. Next 4 with the 12. Compare 4 with the 12. See now, what is A? One side A complement, one side A. A complement A. So we got first difference. Next B with B, same. C complement with C complement, same. D complement with D complement, same. So we got 3 same and 1 different. So now similarly compare 5 and 30. Again we got A bar A, 1 difference. B same, C complement same, D same. 3 same variables, 1 different variable. Now we compare with 7 and 50. BCD, BCD, difference is A bar and A. So now 6 and 14. BCD bar, BCD bar. Difference is A complement and A. Now you compare 8, 12. 12, 8. So we got a difference here. See here, B, C complement, D complement, C complement, D complement. A is C. So where is the difference? B and B complement. Now again, B and B complement between 13 and 9. 15 and 11, B and B complement. A is same, C is same, D is same. 14 and 10, A is same, C same, D is also same in terms of complement. Difference is in terms of letter B. Now the question, try to compare like this. Diagonally, see there, A difference, sorry, A same, B is different, one side it is complement, one side it is positive, that means B. C is same but D is different, that means 2 different, 2 same. So more than 1 difference is not allowed, hence we cannot take cover like this. Okay, now we can expect 6 and 50. Compare 6 and 50. A bar and A, so 1 difference. Then BC, BC, D bar and D, so 2 differences. A and D position, B and C position are no difference. Okay, now try to compare 15 with 3. Try to compare 15 with 3, which are far. Actually, we have to compare 2 neighbor only. For analysis purpose, I am comparing A, B, see here, A bar, B bar. We got 2 difference. So we will not consider for comparison. Okay. So this is what layout of the K map for 4 variable. So here this is the introductory part. So slowly we will take one by one problems. Now you can give attendance for the session. Okay, so now let's take the problem. I have wrote y1 is a function of 4 variables. y1 is a function of 4 variables. It is high for 0, 1, 7, 8, 11, 12, 14, 15. So this is one problem given. Now let's write a K-map of 4 variables. Okay. Now, mapping of the variables, you know already. Look into the function, given function y1, okay. It consists of a, b, c, d. Starting from your left, that is, sorry, starting from your right, that is d. Go on using variables. How many columns are there in the K-map? 4. So 4 columns means 4 possibilities. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So these are the possibilities. To show them, we need two variables. So I will take first D, then I will take C. We have 4 rows. 4 rows means 4 possibility. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So 4 possibility means we need 2 variables. So I will take B and A, row wise. Okay, here I will write 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So row wise 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. I have already explained why we have to take 1, 1 first, then 1, 0 in the next. Okay, here you write the A complement, B complement, because it is 0, 0. A complement B, second row. A B, third row. A with B complement, that is fourth row complete. Just refer previous functions what we have wrote inside that. You will come to it. Okay. C complement, B complement, C complement, D, C with D, C with D complement. These are the column names variable wise. Let's write cell numbers. 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, right side, then now 7. Don't write third row, right? 8. Then comes 9. Skip again, right here 10, right here 11. So come back to third row with the value of 12, 13, skip a column, 14, last one is 15. I have wrote in a small font. I hope it is clear. Okay, now what is the meaning of summation? High for given cell numbers. High means we have to write 1. Cell number 0, cell number 1, cell number 7 and 8, 7 here, 8 here, 11 and 12. Where are the 11? 11 here, 12 here, 14 and 15. 14 and 15. Non-given cells 2 should be filled with 0, 3 not given, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then comes 7 is given, so 1, 8 is given, so 1, 9, 10 is not given, hence it is 0, 11 is given, so it is 1, 12 is given, so it is 1, 13 is not given, hence it is 0. So this is compulsory, don't forget to fill the zeros. Now try to get the covers. Okay, so the covers. Here we will write prime cover method is called as prime implicants, okay, or simplified formula. See, now you can expect, see this cover number 1. So horizontal cover, so variable remains as it is. What is row variable? So what is that? A bar into B bar okay, A bar into B bar. The cover is between two columns. What are those? C bar, D bar, C bar, D. Which is changed, neglect, which is not changed, consider. So between C bar, D bar and C bar, D, D is changed. So we left with, we are neglecting D, we are writing C. What is C occurrence? It is available in terms of C complement. So that is what first cover is. So now plus. Okay. So that what is one more possibility? You can expect like this now. Okay. Why 3 cover is not coming? Cover of 3 ones is not allowed because 3 is not equal to 2 raised to m. Hence, the length of cover means number of ones inside that cover should be the standard number of 2 raised to m. So 3 is not allowed. So now it is between 2 rows. So here you compare 2 rows. One side A bar, one side A. Hence cancel. What is another variable? B. So B has not changed the format, so we have considered. So now, since it is present in one column, we won't compare with other column, so all the variables of that column should be written as it is. Okay? So now, next, this one. Okay? So this is third cover. It is a vertical cover between 2 rows. If there are 2 rows, we have to compare 2 row functions. What are those 2 row functions? AB, AB bar. What is changed? One side B, one side B bar. Cancel it, means neglect. What is not changed? A. Hence you write A. One letter as it is. In which column this cover is present? It is present in first column. So we don't compare with other column. So we will include all column variables as it is. C complement, D complement. C complement, D complement. Okay, now listen carefully. It is important. Here we have one separate, this one separate. So I told you, think about covalence electron or bonding. So don't keep this small size. Imagine this is sharing the electron with this. So we can expect cover that method also. So if we expect cover that method, this one is sharing with this one, which is in a 7. The 15th cell is also sharing with 14th. So what is the function? Can you write now? It is a horizontal function. That means only one row is present. So that means AB is fixed. Here it is AB. The cover is between 2 columns. So compare the 2 columns. One side CD, another side C with the D bar. D and D bar cancels. We left with C. Hence we will write A, B, C. Next, plus. Okay. So similarly, this 15 shares with the 11. 15 shares with 11. Okay. Don't worry for how many it is sharing. But it is not sharing diagonally. It is sharing according to the rules. Even though we have 1 here, we would have thought of 13 and 15 together. Okay. Since we don't have, we are not considering. Now it is 15 and 11. 15 and 11, 2 rows, AB complement. So B and B complement cancels. We have the first variable A. So since it is only one column, so what is that? C with D. A, C, D. Okay. So now For us it is finished, but we have to consider this representation. Okay, so now you see, I hope it is clear. The previous function I have wrote on the paper. Now imagine this here. Okay, so now you see where the one is 0th cell and 8th cell. 0th cell and 8th cell. That means 0th cell and 8th cell. So now you compare the functions between 0th and 8th. A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. A, B bar, C bar, D bar. How many differences? Only one, that is A bar and A. B bar, C bar, D bar. Again B bar, C bar, D bar is same. So assume like this. You have applied a cover by this method. Okay, both became adjacent. So just imagine like this, you are folding. Okay, if you fold, the cell 0 and 8 will be adjacent like this. Okay, 0 and 8 will be adjacent. So how to show the adjacent? See here. Okay, that means you have folded like this. So now, what are the rows to compare and columns to compare? Rows, first row, last row. A bar, B bar, A, B bar. A bar, B bar, A, B bar. Here A bar and A cancels, we left B bar. So here I will write first term A bar. What is how many columns it is present? It is present with same single column. So what is no comparison? We left with direct variables. C complement, D complement. Okay. So plus. Now, do we have any other option? Yes, one more. Think about 12 and 14. Okay, 12 and 14. See here, 12 means A, B, C complement, D complement. 14 means A, B, C, D complement. That means A, B same, again A, B same. Okay, next D complement same. We left with only one difference, that is C complement and C. So imagine the fold like this. Okay, if we fold 12 and 14 here, see 12, this is 14, they became adjacent. How to show that horizontal adjacent? 12 like this, 14 like this. So again I will show. So 12 and 14 adjacent with each other. Now here it is 12, here it is 14. So now you write the function. It is a row, means horizontal. So AB. Why AB? There is no other row to compare. So AB. But what about column? First column and fourth column. First column is C complement, D complement. Fourth column is C with D complement. C complement, C. Neglect. D complement, D complement. Okay. So now the solution for the given problem is the prime implicants A complement, B complement, C complement plus B, C, D plus A, C complement, D complement plus A, B, C plus A, C, D plus B complement, C complement, D complement plus A, B, D complement. That finishes the solution for 4 variable K-map first problem.
Okay, so the first problem itself is little lengthier.